All right, welcome in everyone. This is our one box break of 2019 Obsidian Football. Teams were sold last night on our eBay account, Franks_card_shop. And tonight we are breaking. So this break will have 7 cards, 4 hits. If you are hitless in this break, meaning you do not receive a card, you will have a chance to win that Ronald Jones rookie jersey sitting in the background. So if you don't get a card from the main 7, stick around and see if you win that Ronald Jones. So here we go. Got a sealed box, 2019 Obsidian. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, 1 pack. I think we should have 2 parallels on the back and a base card on top. All right, let's grab those 2 from the back real quick. All right, first up, we've got a Tunnel Vision Orange Electric Etch Parallel, Marcus Mariota for the Tennessee Titans. That one numbered 12 out of 35. 12 out of 35 for the Titans, Mariota. We'll go sleeves now, top loads at the end. Next up, San Francisco 49ers. We've got Richard Sherman purple parallel for the Niners. That one is 21 out of 75. Richard Sherman for the Niners. Nice one there. And our last base is Mr. Peyton Manning in his Colts uni. Numbered 87 out of 125. All the base and Obsidian were numbered to 125 last year. All right, let's get to some hits. First up, we've got Run CMC 2-color Galaxy Gear patch for the Carolina Panthers. That one is 3 out of 25. Nice one there, Carolina CMC. Christian McCaffrey. Looks like a green parallel for the CMC out of 25. Next up, we've got Rodney Anderson for the Cincinnati Bengals. Yellow parallel. That signature is 21 out of 25 for Cincinnati. There you go. Two hits left. Good luck. Next up, we've got Darrell Henderson for the Los Angeles Rams. Rookie auto. I believe this is just the base. Yep, numbered 6 out of 150 for the LA Rams. Henderson rookie auto. And we've got 1 hit left. And it is for the Arizona Cardinals, Andy Isabella, wide receiver. 2 different color patches there, dual patch auto. That one is numbered 13 out of 150 for the Arizona Cardinals. Right team, not the player we were looking for, but still a very nice hit for the Cardinals. All right, let's recap the main cards from Obsidian here. We had Andy Isabella, rookie jersey auto out of 150. We had Darrell Henderson, rookie auto for the Rams out of 150. Rodney Anderson, yellow for the Bengals, auto out of 25. We had the Run CMC two-color patch for the Panthers, also out of 25. Peyton base out of 125. Sherman purple out of 75. And Mariota tunnel vision orange out of 35. So, like I said, if you did not receive one of those 7 cards, you still have a chance to win. We are going to put everyone's name in a randomizer who went hitless for the number of teams you had, and whoever comes out on top after 5 spins of the randomizer will receive this Ronald Jones rookie jersey from 2019 Optic. Or 2018 Optic, excuse me. So give me 2 seconds to set up the randomizer here, and then we will give that card away to one lucky winner. All right, here we go. Randomizer is ready. This is everyone who went hitless, and your name is in there for as many teams as you bought. Once again, this will be randomized 5 times. Whoever comes out on top after 5 spins is the winner. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final goes to Amber. So Amber will receive this Ronald Jones rookie jersey from Optic as her hitless prize. Thank you everyone for joining this one box of 2019 Obsidian. If you are interested in more breaks with us, we have a 4-box break of 2020 Elements Football. That will be on our eBay account. Auctions end tomorrow night, and that will break Sunday right before Sunday Night Football. Once again, that's 2020 Elements 4-box break. You can find them at Franks_card_shop on eBay, and we'll see you on Sunday night. So thanks for joining this one, and we'll talk to you